Hello everyone. My name is Wang, and today we are talk about OSI models and 7 layers. This is an overview, and we have introduction and basics knowledge of the OSI models. Then we talk about the 7 layers of the OSI model, and finally we have the advantages of OSI and conclusion. For OSI models, it is a open system interconnection model, and it is a conceptual model proposed by the international organizations for standardization. Signed framework that tries to link various computers into networks around the world. Development of the open systems interconnection model started in the later 1970s to support the growth of the various computer networking methods. And in the 1980s, the model became a work product of the International Organization for Standardization, the Open Systems Interconnection Group. What is the OSI models? The OSI model divides the flow of data into 7 layers, from a high-level application data to physical transmission. And each layer provides functionality to the layer and above it, and its own functionality is supported by the layer below it. So these functionalities are implemented uh, through standard communication and protocols in software. Now we talk about the 7 layers of the OS model. In simple way, the layer 1 is a physical layer. This layer is like the paper and envelope of our letter. It deals with the physics connection between devices. It includes things like cables and connectors and the electrical signals that go through them. Level 2 is a data link layer. So now you can image you are writing the rice on the envelope and making sure it's correctly formatted. So this layer handles the reliability of the connection between two devices. It organizes the data into frames and checks for error in transmissions. Level 3 is a network layer. This layer deals with the routing, and forward. The forwarding data packets across different networks. It's responsible for finding the most efficient pace of data to travel. And the level 4 is a transport layer. So think of this layer as a server that ensures a later research its destination intact and in the right order. It established maintenance and in connections between devices, and it handles enroll checking and data flow control. The layer 5 is sensing layer. Now let's imagine you are having a conversation over the phone to discuss the content of the letter. This layer setup manages and terminates communication seasons between applications. It also handles and control. Layer 6, the presentation layer. It's like you are translating the letter into a language the recept understands, or making sure the format is readable. This layer is responsible for data translation and encryption and comparison, ensuring that data sent by one application can be understood by another. The layer 6, the layer 7 is the application layer. It dives in fact servers to application software, allowing them to access network servers. It includes protocols for tasks like email or file transfer. Okay, and we then talk about the advantages of OSI. And the OS models offers a sharing framework, so which can be used by non non commercial business and allows nations to collaboration to interface communication standards and OS models education and communication private by a clear and organized framework. The basics principles of the communication and communication technologies make it easier for people to understand the land by knowing each layer's uh, functions and mutual understanding. People can easier talk about and learn the specification details of the protocol. So standard interface between layers makes project modularization easier and creates a better connected environment. The complexity is lower and making the program simple to change and product development quicker. It clears use the servers of the immediately adjacent lower layer. So making it simply to remind and the function of each layer. OSI is a well-defined state of protocol specifications and have many optional parts like do sim tasks. So the OSI reference model does not provide implementation methods, but describes some concepts used to manage the development of inter-process communication standards. That is, OSI reference model is not a standards, but a conceptual framework used in creating standards. Okay, we are finished, and thank you, everyone.